Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your any Android phone faster. If your Android phone is becoming hang or it's lagging, then it's very easy and simple to make it more faster and smooth. First of all, go to settings and then go to about phone, then press the build number multiple times. As you can see here, press it multiple times and you will get a developer option. I have already got it, so go back and you will find a developer option in your settings. So in my phone it's here, as you can see. So if you don't find in your phone, then if you have search option, then you can easily search it, then make it on, then go down and you can see here option that it provides. So don't keep activities, so you have to make it on, and you can limit the background processes also, due to which if you are using any apps, then this will disallow or disable the background apps. So make it as per your wish, no background, and also uh, enable this also, then this as well. And so yeah, in this way you can simply make your phone way more faster and better. Thank you.